Introduce highlight features or overview summary for JEXUGK 6-inch mini chainsaw cordless. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include the high-performance brushless motor. JEXUGK wireless saw is equipped with a powerful 1000 watts brushless motor, offering outstanding cutting performance. It can easily cut an 8-inch branch within just 10 seconds, the cutting time may vary depending on the wood density. The upgraded cooling holes enable the motor to continuously output at high power, maintaining the optimal motor temperature and extending its service life. 2.0 amp-hour long-lasting battery and fast charger. JEXUGK electric chainsaw is equipped with two high-capacity 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, keeping you away from the hassle of frequent battery replacements and the embarrassment of running out of power. The built-in battery level indicator enables you to monitor the battery power, ensuring that you won't be caught off guard during work. Say goodbye to the struggle with wires and make your garden art easier. Multifunctional chainsaw. JEXUGK's battery-powered chainsaw comes with 6-inch chains and guide plates, allowing you to switch sizes between different tasks. Whether you are pruning branches, cutting wood, or tending towards your garden shrubs, it can easily handle 99% of your cutting needs. Meet your various needs ranging from pruning delicate branches to chopping firewood. Upgraded convenient tensioning system. Compared with traditional tool-adjustable chainsaws, JEXUGK Motosierra feature a unique tool-free tensioning system. No screwdriver required. Turn the black knob on the valve body clockwise to tighten the chain. Conversely, loosen the chain and the guide plate. Multiple safety protections. Your safety is our top priority. The JEXUGK upgraded small chainsaw is equipped with a safety lock to prevent accidental startup. The protective deflector plate prevents debris from flying around. Cut-resistant gloves protect your hands. The anti-slip textured handle allows you to hold it tighter and is less likely to fall off. JEXUGK always puts your safety first. Automatic lubrication system. The JEXUGK mini chainsaws is equipped with an automatic chain lubrication system to ensure smooth operation of your chain. Before each use, pour in the oil inside the machine, tighten the transparent cover, squeeze the ball a few times with force, and then start the chainsaw to work to ensure that the chain remains lubricated during operation. Easy to use. The JEXUGK mini saw is compact and lightweight. Just plug it into a fully charged battery and start using it. Ergonomic and anti-slip handheld design ensures comfortable grip and easy control. The balanced design and comfortable grip make it an ideal choice for the elderly, women and first-time users. Even if you have never used a chainsaw before, you can quickly get the hang of it, pruning branches or cutting wood. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.